In this video, I will show you how you can convert a flat image of text document or a picture of combination text with graphics into an editable Word document that you can change or revise with just a few easy steps. It doesn't matter whether the picture that you will convert into an editable Word document is taken using your cell phone camera or a mirrorless or DSLR, or the image is a scanned document, or if it is something you downloaded from the internet. As long as it is saved in JPEG format, not PNG, not anything else, but only in JPEG format, this will for sure 100% work. Sir Z here, or simply Z at your service, and it's time again for sharing and learning together about productivity, technology, and creativity. For our first example, here is a JPEG picture of an old document that I scanned for my PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, it says JPG or JPEG file. Whether the extension name is spelled JPG or JPEG, it will work as long as it is a JPEG file. Let's click the image. This one is a combination of text or letters and numbers with a couple of inserted pictures. At this point, obviously, of course, we will still not be able to click, edit, or change anything yet because it's a flat image or a flat picture, not an actual document. So to convert, first thing we need to do is to drop this image or picture on a blank Word document page. Let's open Microsoft Word, start a fresh blank page. Set up the layout if you wish, like the paper size, orientation, and margins. And then insert or copy paste on this page the image to be converted. Adjust the dimension or size of the image on the document if needed. Now, save or convert this Word document into a PDF file. You can convert any Microsoft Office file like Word document, PowerPoint presentation, Excel, or Publisher into PDF format by using either the Save As, the Print, or Export to PDF options. Check out my video on how to convert Microsoft Office files to PDF for a complete tutorial. Link to the video is somewhere up there at the corner or in the description box down below. In this case, I'm going to use the File and Export option. Create PDF XPS document, hit this one, and then I'm just gonna type in a good file name. Look for the destination. I would like it to be saved in the desktop, and then hit Publish. Now that our image or picture is in PDF format, the next step is to drop this PDF file back to Microsoft Word to convert it back to document format. Open Microsoft Word, but stay on this page or menu. Access the folder where the image was saved as PDF. Drag and drop the PDF file over to the Microsoft Word menu. Doing so will automatically require Word to convert the PDF file into a format that it can read, and that is as a Word document. A dialog box will pop up noting about the conversion. Just hit OK. And so now the image is no longer a flat picture but a file that you can click on and start editing. Let's see how this will work on JPEG images we downloaded from the internet under Creative Commons. Some are purely of text, while others contain some graphics. Links to these images are in the description box if you wish to check them out, and also to credit the owners or sources. Since I've already demonstrated the steps, to cut the bulk of this video, I'll just throw in some quick montage of the conversions I did on these images. By the way, we can convert all these images at once by pasting them all on the same Word document that will be converted to PDF. But I decided to show you how I did it on each individual image to give emphasis on the steps to be followed. And that is how you can take a quick photo of a document or notes and then convert it later on for revision or editing as an editable Word document or file. Again, for a complete tutorial on how to convert any Microsoft Office file to PDF or even how to instantly convert web pages or website contents into PDF, I recommend you check my other videos dedicated for those tutorials. Sir Z here, always at your service. Don't forget to hit that like button, consider subscribing and share to help the channel out, and see you again in the next videos.